Well, happy day, everybody. Welcome to some Dancing Drums Explosion, you guys. Okay, it's a 1-cent denomination. Here's a look at our progressives. $10 mini, 25 on the minor, they're fixed. The major, over 2,086 in the grand, 22,798. And that explosion, you guys, $42,798.
Oh shit!
Oh my gosh!
Oh shit!
Yes!
No, is that real? Is that real?
You just got the grand.
Holy shit!
My neighbor just got the grand, you guys, and the grand just reset at $10,000. Well, the grand is no longer $22,000, you guys. My neighbor just got the grand. He just got the grand. He's betting $10, you guys. Wow. Wow. $22,798. And he just picked all three of them, and it was grand. I was peeking over there as I was telling you guys. Wow, congratulations.
Awesome, man.
Wow. There it is, jackpot hand pay. Oh my gosh, you guys, that's amazing. Well, maybe we can get the explosion, you guys, now. You know, I'm back for redemption on this machine. When Dwayne was playing next to me and I was playing here and got absolutely nothing. Wow. Oh, I'm so happy for him, you guys. That was amazing. Okay. Can we get the explosion? Well, actually, look at this, you guys. The explosion went down too from 42. It's now 30,000 because it reset as well. Wow, all this stuff is happening on this machine. Oh my gosh. $22,000. You guys, I'm in shock. Okay, you guys, lucky 100 is in there. Let's hope it's a really, really lucky 100. I was facing him when he got that, you guys. Oh my gosh. Volume all the way up so we can start our grand or explosion partay, you guys. We're doing $588. We're not going $10 like he was. So let's do it, you guys. Come on. Wow. Okay. Let's close our pot lid now, you guys. Can we do it? Can we close our pot lid? I've never been next to somebody that's gotten the grand. Oh, that could have been us, but I'm so glad we got the bonus at least, you guys. It's not with the gold drum, but it's a bonus, you guys. We've got the bonus. Oh, I didn't show you my new ring. It's a Bigfoot ring. You know how he loves to give kisses? It's lips, you guys. It's all glittery lips. You guys, what are we gonna do? Should we go 5 or should we go 10? Let's do 10, you guys. I'm gonna back us up. Oh, I don't need to back us up. All right. Let's close that pot lid, you guys. Maybe we can get a re-trigger. Come on. Up to 56. Uh-oh, we keep getting one ding. That's the third one ding in a row. Oh, we got doggies for $100, you guys. 96. Okay. Ooh, 152. Guys, I'm happy with this bonus. Okay, candy dishes. Another 13. Oh, it could have been a 4 symbol. 2 more spins.
Thank you.
And our last spin. Can we do anything on it? Almost a re-trigger. And it was a 0. Oh, you guys, that was good. That was good. 176. And what were we in for? 24? 24? Yeah, 24. All right, you guys, 176, not bad. 252. All right, let's keep going. Oh, I'm excited. How's everybody doing today? I am so shocked over his win that's still on the screen of 22,000. I don't even know what I'm saying right now. I might have already asked how you guys are doing. I don't even know. You need to get it together, Ant. I don't even know, Bigfoot. Oh my gosh. Oh, candy dishes for 9. Oh, there's our gold drum. That's what we needed in our bonus. Come on, pot lid. Maybe we can get those. I'll still take a $10,000 grand, you guys. Oh gosh. Uh-oh. Below 200 now. What's going on? Come on, Ann. I can do this, you guys. We'll get another bonus here shortly. Oh, there's our drum. Yeah, I see you up there, drum. You're dancing. All right, it's a win. Okay, $2. Gosh, we've given back what, like 100 now, you guys? I think it's 100. Come on, Aunt, you better get this together. You're giving back too much money. Oh, his wife just came over and she's about ready to cry. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Uh-oh, now we're below our original 100 now. We've given back almost all of our profit from that bonus. Okay, there's some coins, $12. Our pot's getting pretty full, you guys. Come on, Aunt. You need to get this into Profitsville. Again. Oh, there's our drum. Okay, we've closed it, you guys. Is it our turn now? Is it? Oh, we're upgrading. The major's 2,900. And the explosion. Oh, where's our grand? The grand is gone. There's only a major and the explosion. Okay, you guys. I don't know what that means. But it's okay, I'll take the... Let's do some zigzag. Well, it wasn't our time. All right, $20. $20 is $20. Almost gets us back up to our 100. Come on, bonus. Guys, I think if we can get that gold drum bonus, I'm going to pick 5. I'm going to pick 5. I'm going gutsy. I'm going gutsy. But we've got to get it. Oh, wait. Oh, it's not the gold one, but we got a bonus. We got a bonus. You know what? I'm still going 5, you guys. I'm going 5. Here we go, you guys. Come on, bang them. It's very important to get a retrigger on 5. Oh, that's got to be really good, you guys. It's $144? Okay. That was good, Ant. I think so too, Bigfoot. Actually, I think it was more than 144. And 18. Yes. Okay, come on, retrigger. Oh, last spin. Are we over 200? We're over 200, you guys. Oh my gosh, we're back. We're back. The Ant is back. And nothing on that spin. 227.40, you guys. That was incredible. It's almost the grand. It's almost the grand. Can I give everybody a kiss? Why don't you do it with your new ring? All right, 227.40, 289, new ticket high. Oh my gosh, we got it. Back to back, you guys. We got it. Okay, you guys, you know what? I said we're doing 5, and we're doing 5, you guys. Oh, I should probably do 10. I'm scared now. I'm scared. I'm doing it, you guys. We're going 5. We're going 5. Here we go, you guys. Here we go, you guys. Oh, where's my re-trigger? Uh-oh, you guys. Well, there's some doggies. Oh, for $7. 2 more spins. There's some coins. 216. Stop it, dollars, you guys. That's what we needed. Now, can we get a re-trigger on our last game, you guys? Oh my gosh. I don't want to press it. I don't want to mess anything up. I'm very scared. It's almost done, you guys. Okay, come on. We need a ding and a ding. And then with wild, 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 with all doggies. Jackpot hand pay. Oh, no dings. Oh my gosh, look at all these candy dishes. Where was that at, you guys? $256 though, you guys. Oh, that was really, 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 really stop it good, you guys. Okay. Oh my gosh, that was really good. All right, I had to show you the drum up there, you guys. Okay, I helped it out. $540. You guys, I'm getting my redemption on this machine. Let's keep going. Can we do it again? That was a back-to-back. We were those people, you guys. Another 18. Congratulations again. That was amazing. I saw you just pick them, and I'm like, he got all 3. That's the grand. And it didn't register right away. And then you were like, I got it. Congratulations again. Run for the door. No, go have some fun.
We just got back in Vegas and I just for a lot. I just did for 9,000 price. So I'm just.
You have got the luck. You have got the luck. Yeah, the grand reset and the explosion reset. Because as you hit that, I had the camera tilted up. That was like 22 and that was 42. Yep. All right, you guys, let's keep going. Oh my gosh. I thought, could that be our third? Come on, let's do it to it. Oh my gosh, that yellow drum just keeps, or that gold drum just keeps showing up. Oh my gosh, here we go, you guys. Here we go. Okay, oh, now the grand is there. No explosion. I'll take that major though, you guys, 2,100. One more for the major. Oh, no, not you, Miss Jackson. Oh, Miss Jackson, if you're nasty. $10. All right. Okay, here we go, you guys. Come on, Aunt, you can do this. Keep that train on the tracks and keep it trucking. Oh, I went below 5, you guys. Oh. Come on. Oh, we got some trees for 12. I want to get another bonus, you guys. You know how greedy I am. You know how greedy I am. Oh, look at all those candy dishes. There's that drum again. It's taunting us. Oh, I couldn't press the button. I thought for sure that pot lid was going to close again. Come on. Ding, ding, ding. Do it, Aunt. Get that ding, ding, ding. Bigfoot, you're so silly. Uh-oh, you guys. It's quieted down. Oh, wait. We got some trees for 36, but we needed that. Coins? Come on, drums. Come back out. Come out from hiding, please. Oh, almost those candy dishes. Ooh, that's our special symbol right there that'll give us the upgrade. That's our normal wild. No upgrade when we go progressive picking. Oh, $15. Okay, guys, we're hanging in there. I gotta say that quietly, though. The machine doesn't hear it. Ooh, another 18. Let's do a 5 symbol trigger, you guys. Ooh, then I might pick mystery. Ooh, that would be very daring. All right, pot lid, it's time. Ooh, doggies all the way would be nice. Come on. What an exciting video, you guys, though. And that grand. Wow. Oh my gosh. Missing the middle. Come on, Aunt. Get it done. Guys, that's like 200 back now. I think so. Ant's losing control here, you guys. I need like a big line hit to get us back. I need ships, drums. I need red horn doggy. Oh my gosh, almost there. Guys, it's quieted. Way down. But I'm having so much fun in hopes that we're gonna get it. I just think this one is... Oh, you guys. All right, we're gonna go a little more. I had to pause there because I was like looking around at different machines and I'm like, do I move? Do I keep going? Guys, I'm gonna try. Oh my gosh, I shouldn't. I'm gonna try a couple at 10. Let's see what happens. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? I'm ruining the ticket. Oh gosh, you guys. Come on, pot lid. Uh-oh. Nothing. Guys, I'm cashing there. I think we're in for 2, aren't we? Yeah, I'm cashing it right there, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until we meet again on the next video, take care of yourselves. You know I love you, love you, love you lots. You guys have a fabulous day, and we'll see you next time. Bye, you guys.